marketing director ko. Thank you, Lord. No? So again, ito po yung International Marketing Director promotion ko. Totoo po yung promotions dito sa Lifestyles. Ang pinakamaganda po dito sa Lifestyles, pag na-promote ka, everybody is happy. So, lahat ng to, ito na po yung mga elite organizations ko, no? Thank you very much for having them in my organizations, no? So, they are my big whys para kanino ako gumigising, para sa kanila po. Lahat ng mga ginagawa ko is para sa family ko. So, ang pinakamaganda, this business, mga guests, is willable. Pwede nyo ipamana sa family mo. So, kung ano yung organizations na na-build mo, pwede mong ipamana sa kanila. No? That's the good thing of this business. So, sa mga guests, no? So, isa lang masasabi ko sa inyo, be part of our family. Be part of our family. Decide now, no? Decide now and be part of our family. Para 3 to 5 years from now, story mo naman ang papakikinggan namin. Story mo naman ang ibibigay mo sa buong mundo para yung story mo naman ang makakapag-inspire sa lahat ng mga tao. Okay? So with that, thank you and good morning.
Thank you so much, IMD Maru Igbino. And now, the next person to share her testimony is a chemist and U.S. nurse by profession, nominee of 2015 Rookie of the Year Award, nominee of 2019 Rising Star Award, and nominee of 2021 Business Beyond Borders Award from Metro Manila, Global Marketing Director Maria Clarissa Arroyo.
Yes, thank you so much to our dear host, and good morning, everyone, especially to our guests who are here right now. Okay, so I'm Global Marketing Director Maria Clarissa Arroyo. Okay, ako po ay dating nurse from US. Grabe. Ano kaya ang ginagawa ng isang nurse dito sa Lifestyles? Chemistry graduate pa, kung saan-saan po ko, ano-anong pinagagawa ko sa buhay. I've been to different direct selling, name it, from Avon to Tupperware, nag-network marketing, from Amway to Usana, at the same time, empleyado. Imaginein mo, nag-insurance, real estate agent, at nag-aral pa ng nursing sa US. So, anong nangyari? Yan, nung graduate akong nurse, diyan po nag-umpisa yung aking health challenges. Nagtanggalan po ako ng ovary, fallopian, uterus kasi naglakihan ng myoma at nag-bleeding. And take note, 3 times po ako na-operahan sa breast. Grabe. So blessed kasi way back 2014, na-meet ko po ang lifestyle sa father ko, who was then 85 years old. He has prostate cancer, diabetic, hypertensive, may osteoarthritis, constipated, may insomnia. Siyempre, matanda na. Pero alam nyo ba, na-prolong pa ang buhay niya for 10 years. Yes. 95 na po siya nung mawala. But so grateful kasi alam niyo kung bakit? Na-enjoy niya yung 10 years na yan. Enjoying, nag-imagine, nakapatayo pa siya ng transient house niya, nag-alaga ng farm niya, may warehouse at billiard hall. Siya lang po ang nag-manage niyan. Kaya ako naman po, paano niya ako na-convince? Nagkaroon po ako ng trigger finger, naglalakto sa umaga. But taking the product in just 3 days, with 1 jigger, grabe, amazing. Readily open ko po, kaya hindi na ako na-operahan. And after a week, na-observe ko, nawala yung bahing-bahing ko because I have allergic rhinitis. And take note, my asthma has been gone. Grabe talaga pong na-amaze ako for 11 years taking the product. Naku, wala na po akong nebulizer, puff, antihistamine steroid. Ang aking pong partner, isa pong chief engineer. Grabe, amazing po. Isa lang ang kanyang synthetic meds, losartan, kayo ba ilan? Yan ang nilinis ng ating products. Grabe, di ba? And take note, ngayon po kasama ko na siya doing this lifestyles for almost 4 years na po siya dito. And yan ang dahilan bakit super na-inlove ako sa product. Imagine, tingnan niyo itsura ko 2014 and ngayon in front of you. Bakit? Talagang cleansing ang product and rejuvenating talaga. Nakakaganda na, nakakabata pa. Kaya alam niyo ba, for the past 11 years, clear na ang mammogram ko. Wala na pong bukol-bukol, wala na pong surgery. Kaya dito wag ka mag-alala, may magsasama sa iyo, may magtuturo sa iyo. I have GMD Peng, grateful ako sa kanila, GMD Rochelle and GMD team. Nako, talaga pong grateful dahil ang galing-galing nilang magturo. And together with my team, grabe, these were taken before pandemic. Amazing po talaga. Doon po namin na-prove na ang company po natin is pandemic-proof business. At dito po ako nag-enjoy. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi may gala, katatapos lang po namin. Talagang kung hindi ka naggagaw nun dito, mag-i-enjoy ka. At promotions after promotions nangyari sa akin dito. Ang tignan niyo yung itsura ko noon at ngayon, di ba? And pag masipag ka, napakabait po ng company, you will be well recognized here. At ito po yung hindi ko magawa nung nurse ako. wala akong time freedom. 2 araw lang, hindi ko ma-enjoy kasi 24/7 on call pa ako. Samantalang dito, I can travel anytime, anywhere I want. Locally and international. Kaya nakarating ako sa main office natin in Toronto, Canada. Kaya existing po ang ating main office at napakaganda. And this is one thing I'm so grateful kasi during pandemic, as at what I mentioned, pandemic-proof business, yung 200,000 naming bayarin, tuloy-tuloy namin nabayaran. Imagine mo, yung 2 sasakyan namin, fully paid at yung parking lot. At patuloy na bayaran ang pondo. At recently lang, nakapaglabas na naman kami ng panibagong sasakyan. O di ba ang saya? And dito, kung ikaw ay negative thinker, warrior, kala mo hindi mo to kayang gawin, ay daming workshops and trainings na magbabago ng buhay mo. And this is one thing I'm so grateful. Nung ako po ay nurse, ang hirap maglabas ng kaperahan kasi working hard for the money. Unlike this one, grabe po, dahil sa siksik liglig ito, umaapaw na blessing binigay ng Panginoon. Grabe, nakakapag-share po kami sa mga less fortunate brothers. And that's all for me. Alam nyo ba, alam ko, marami sa inyo nagdarasal. Pero ito na po yung best opportunity na napunta sa akin because we have the best product in the world. So sana maging answered prayer to sa inyo. Tulad na nangyari sa akin. Now, I'm enjoying my life, having time and financial freedom, having a balanced life. Healthy ka na, wealthy ka pa. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, GMD Clarissa Arroyo. Ngayon naman, kung maraming nabago ang buhay dahil sa product at business na ito, magbabago din ang buhay ninyo. Gusto nyo bang malaman kung paano yayaman dito? Ang susunod na tatawagin ko is a very credible to do the business presentation. He is a former bank employee for 11 years, winner of the 2019 Millennial Achiever Award of the 2024 Breakthrough Leader Award from Cebu City Global Marketing Director Ruel Sinoy.
Wow, thank you so much to our host. Good morning, everyone, and good morning, world. Okay, so this is your Global Marketing Director, Ruel Sinoy, and I am all the way from Cebu City. Okay, so my questions, are you now ready? Are you still excited? Excited na ba kayo sa topic ko ngayon? Sino ba dito ang gustong uminom ng libreng intra? Type nga sa comment box, sa comment section kung gusto mo nang uminom ng intra. At sino ba dito ang iinom ng libre plus check pa every month? Yes or yes? Okay, so let's begin, no? Okay, so the lifestyles opportunity. Let's turn the use of products into a successful business. No, alam mo ba na 90% ng mga distributors dito sa lifestyles umiinom muna ng products bago ang business kasi nga mas madali na lang ito ang business kung mayroon kang story, no? Mas madali na yung business natin sa lifestyles kasi nga here in lifestyles, our business is a storytelling business. Mas madali na yung business if mayroon ka ng story. Yes or yes? Okay, so next slide po. Okay, so the richest people in the world, according to Robert Kiyosaki, the richest people in the world build networks and everybody else looks for work. So ibig sabihin, kung gusto mo palang yumaman, mag-build ka lang pala ng network. Kaya pala mas marami ang yumayaman sa pag-build ng networks. Yes or yes? And according to Warren Buffett, no? Sabi niya, network marketing today is more widely accepted than at any time in its 60 years and history, no? So sabi pa niya, kung hindi ka daw makahanap ng income na while natutulog ka or nagta-travel ka, na kumikita ka, yun pala, you will work for...
Husband ko, 1 week lang naubos yung pera namin, so ayaw kong mangyari ulit yun. So again...
the rest of your life, no? You will work until you die. Gusto nyo ba yun? Of course, hindi, di ba? Kailangan